Minecraft, a game that has captured the hearts of millions with its endless creativity and exploration. But what if we told you that Minecraft is about to get even more exciting? Enter Gemini AI, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence that's transforming the way we play, build, and interact in the world of Minecraft. In this video, we'll explore how Gemini AI is revolutionizing Minecraft and what it means for gamers everywhere. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Gemini AI in Minecraft? Gemini AI is an advanced AI system integrated into Minecraft to enhance gameplay, creativity, and problem-solving. It's designed to assist players, generate new content, and even create intelligent NPCs, non-player characters, that interact with players in meaningful ways. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore builder, Gemini AI is here to take your Minecraft experience to the next level. Part 2. Smarter NPCs and dynamic worlds. Imagine exploring a Minecraft world where villagers and creatures are more than just scripted entities. With Gemini AI, NPCs can now learn, adapt, and interact with players in real time. Villagers might trade more intelligently, animals could exhibit unique behaviors, and enemies could strategize during combat. This creates a more immersive and dynamic gaming experience that feels alive. Part 3. AI-powered building and design. Building in Minecraft is already a creative outlet, but Gemini AI takes it to a whole new level. The AI can assist players by generating building blueprints, suggesting design improvements, or even constructing entire structures based on your ideas. Whether you're building a medieval castle or a futuristic city, Gemini AI is your ultimate creative partner. Part 4. Personalized gameplay. Gemini AI can analyze your playstyle and tailor the game to your preferences. Love exploring? The AI might generate vast, intricate caves and hidden treasures. Prefer farming? It could create lush, fertile landscapes perfect for your crops. With Gemini AI, Minecraft becomes a truly personalized adventure. Part 5. AI-driven challenges and quests. Tired of the same old Minecraft quests? Gemini AI can generate unique challenges and storylines based on your gameplay. From solving AI-crafted puzzles to embarking on epic quests with intelligent NPCs, the possibilities are endless. Every playthrough becomes a fresh and exciting experience. Part 6. Collaborative creativity. Gemini AI isn't just for solo players. In multiplayer mode, the AI can act as a mediator, helping players collaborate on massive projects or resolve conflicts. It can also generate shared challenges that bring players together, fostering teamwork and creativity like never before. Part 7. The future of Minecraft with Gemini AI. The integration of Gemini AI into Minecraft is just the beginning. As the technology evolves, we can expect even more groundbreaking features, from AI-generated biomes to fully interactive storylines. The future of Minecraft is limitless, and Gemini AI is leading the charge. Outro, summary, and call to action. Gemini AI is revolutionizing Minecraft, making it smarter, more creative, and more immersive than ever before. Whether you're a builder, explorer, or adventurer, Gemini AI is here to enhance your gameplay in ways you've never imagined. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of gaming. The world of Minecraft is evolving, and it's powered by Gemini AI.